How to draw on a photo on iPhone. To draw on a photo on your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Photos on your iPhone. Here, you can view all your photos and videos. Now, open a photo from the gallery. Then, you need to tap this edit icon over here. After that, your photo will be in an editable format. Then, you need to go to the top right corner of your screen and tap this pen icon. Select the brush you want for painting from the bottom panel. Then, start drawing on your screen. Change the painting tool as per your requirement. You can also find the eraser on the tools below. Then tap on this color palette icon over here. From here, you will be able to set the paint color for your brush. Once you're finished drawing, tap on Done at the top right corner of your screen. There you go, you have successfully drawn on a photo. By following these simple steps, you can easily draw on a photo on an iPhone.